Hey there, Alex Kidman here, just with my quick unboxing of the Google Pixel 9a. Now, this one's been delayed a bit, as I think most people are aware, was originally going to launch a few weeks ago, and then Google decided to wait a little while because of some mystery component issue. Not entirely sure what that is, but that's why you're actually getting an unboxing right now, because the embargo will have just lifted instead of a full review, because I've honestly not had this thing long enough, or I'm not going to have this thing long enough to get a full review done. And I would rather do a review properly than present you with some kind of review where I've only had it a couple of days and I've really not put it through its paces properly. I think my viewership deserves a little bit better than that, and I hope you agree with me. A review will be forthcoming in due course. But enough rambling, I'm going to get on with opening this up. And if you watch any of my unboxings, you know I just tend to kind of go for this stuff. I don't even have the scissors at the ready. It's only just occurring to me, but hopefully this will just be a peel and release kind of deal. This is the 128 gig Obsidian, aka black model. Not the color I would have chosen, but maybe you might differ on that score. I do like the fact that Google's packaging is mostly pretty recyclable, and I believe made of mostly recyclable cardboard and so on. But I digress. Let's get this thing open, and we should find, oh look, there's a phone inside. I mean, God, who could have picked that there would be a phone inside here? Because of course there's a phone inside here. Nice little printing of where all the buttons and inputs are going to be. Can I actually peel this off without tearing it? That's an interesting thought. I mean, I don't know why you'd want to actually. Most people are just going to tear this clean open, aren't they? So maybe my viewership is screaming, get on with it, Kidman. So, all right, I shall accede to your destructive wishes and show off the Obsidian Pixel 9a, which of course we already knew what the look of this thing was going to be. That's the volume button, Alex. Don't be a fool. And that should hopefully have some power, maybe power up. Do we have any power, or am I going to have to throw this thing? I promise you this is a real phone. Oh, it just, there we go. Okay, so that's going to get itself set up. I suppose I should also open up the case that Google has sent me. I should point out, ethically, this is a phone that Google has sent my way just ahead of when it's actually going to be available. This one I am just going to tear into. I do like cases. I think most people are aware of this. I think a case is an excellent investment for anyone buying any phone, including this one. And of course, it's in the basic same Obsidian. It just has a little bit of thickness, but a whole lot of protection. So that's going on there, and I'm not intending to take it off. But I had now better get to actually setting this phone up. So that's what I'm going to do. Stay tuned for my full review once I've had time to properly test the Pixel 9a. Thanks for watching.